How to enable or disable iCloud mail on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings, then tap on your Apple ID account at the top. Next, we go down, then tap on iCloud. In here, tap on iCloud Mail. And at the top, tap on Use on this iPhone. Tap on the toggle button to turn off iCloud Mail. If you want to use the iCloud Mail, you can switch it on. Now, once you turn it on, you can tap on Default Email in here. Tap on the addresses, and from here, you can add an alias. So you can choose a different alias for your iCloud email. And that's it. That is how you can turn on or switch off iCloud Mail on the iPhone 15 series. After, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.